millionaires. I just wanted to come to you guys with a brief video to teach you how to copy and paste the trades that we will be receiving this week. I'll make this as brief as possible. I'm so excited and I hope you guys are ready to make some money, learn a lot, expand your mind, and expose yourself to another stream of income. Okay, so when a signal is called in a group chat, we're going to go to our MetaTrader 4 app. This is our home screen and what it should look like. Make sure it is on the Advanced tab. We're going to look at the signal, and let's make sure we look at it right. Sorry, y'all, let me click it here. All right, so we have GBP JPY here at the bottom. It says buy GBP JPY. So we're going to be adding that to our home screen. So we're going to press the arrow at the top right corner. We're going to check. We're going to pull this screen down and type in the pair that we're searching for, GBP JPY. We're going to press that green arrow, add it to our screen, press cancel, go back. It should be right there at the bottom. So you see the GBP JPY at the bottom of our list. Press it and click trade. Now this is a very important part. So we're going to go back and look at the signal that was called, and we see it says market execution, correct? So we're going to go back and make sure we have market execution selected. We're going to go back. This lot size, now remember I told y'all we only doing 0.01 unless I say otherwise. So make sure you put 0.01 for your lot size for every trade. Now we're going to go back to the trade and look for the stop loss. The part right there that says SL, we're going to insert that number right there that says stop loss. So we're going to go back and look at what it says. It says 144370. Double click your home button. Make sure it goes back. Now we're going to look at our take profit. On your signal, that is the one that says TP1. It says 145040. So we're going to copy exactly that. 1450. I forgot. See, got to go back and look. 0. Hold on. Make sure. Keep checking now. 040. Now we're going to triple check and double check and make sure we look at it. We're looking at it and entering the numbers correctly. It's very important. Now we're going to see if we're supposed to buy or sell it. It says buy GBP JPY. This is also important because this determines the success of your trade. So we're going to press buy and we out the market. And it should be right here on your home screen. We'll see sorry, this is an old trade from another call, so we're going to close that. But we're going to see our numbers moving, and we're going to remember we're not scared of no reds because we know it'll easily turn into blues, and we're going to take profit. Now here I'm going to address the other TPs. When you see TP1, TP2, TP3, you can enter multiple trades, and I'll explain why we have different numbers. So if you want to do the TP2, you just press. Well, we're going to go back from the beginning. You could press that top arrow, but we're going to go back to the trade on our home screen. Press trade, market execution, same thing. Lot size, same size. And we're going to enter the same stop loss, 144.370. 144.370. Now we're going to do the TP2 because we already did TP1. So we can do 145.400. 145.400. Are we buying or selling? We're buying. And we're going to press buy. Triple check before you press it now. Make sure your numbers are correct. Buy. Made that trade. Now, if you wanted to do TP3, it will be the same thing. You can go back, look at the TP3, look at the number. You can add it at the top corner, at the top right if you would like. Make sure the numbers are aligned. You can press it to ensure that your TP and your stop loss is correct if you feel like you did it wrong. Hope I didn't go too fast in that tutorial. All you're doing is really copying and pasting exactly what you see in the right areas. It's easy to make a mistake, so please triple check. And if you can, write down the trades on a piece of paper so you won't have to go back and forth in the windows and you can enter it more accurately. So now what we will be addressing is how to look at a chart after you enter a trade. Okay, so really briefly, we're going to go over what our take profit and our stop loss look like on the chart. So once you enter into a trade, we're going to press and hold it and press chart. It's going to bring us to the chart. I know it looks a little crazy, but once you learn how to trade and analyze your chart, I promise it will all make sense. So just to give you an example, if I would have got into this trade, let me get my cursor and show you specifically. I would have known this was going to happen based off what happened already. I would have known this double top was going to form and it was going to be a temporary buy based on my trading skills that I've learned. So in due time that will come. But right now, I'm going to draw your attention to your take profit and your stop loss lines that we just added. So at the bottom here, let me get my cursor and show you. This is our stop loss right here. Above it is our take profit. I'm going to explain that into greater details in a few moments. But let me show you really briefly what a buy is and what a sell is. So let me zoom in on the chart and show you something. All right. So say for instance, I would have got in a trade right here. You see it going up? I would have known to buy it. When the market goes up, that means buy, right? So let me see if I can find you a sell. They're all over the place. All right. So right here. Sorry for all my notifications. All right. So let me get my cursor again. So if I would have got into this sell right here, let me see. Put it right there. I would have dropped. You see it dropping down? That means sell. If I would have got in right here, I would have caught all this profit if I would have pressed sell, right? And I would have known to do that. I could have got out the trade, re-entered and caught this long buy and made major profit because the market is going up and I would have bought it. Now, do not worry. You will learn it. It will come with time. I promise. We're just going to focus and stay disciplined. So back to our take profit and stop loss. Our stop loss is set right here. Just in case the market goes the other way, it'll take us out without us losing all our money because we're not gambling like I told you guys. So now I'm going to address our take profit and our stop loss. So let's go up. All right, so we set multiple take profits in this one, but right here is our take profit 1, and this is our take profit 2. It is our hope that the market goes up in those directions and it take us out of the market with profit. Now our stop loss. Let's talk about this bottom red line right here with the SL. I mentioned proper risk management multiple times. The reason we set a stop loss is in case the market goes the opposite way of what we analyze, it'll take us out. Because we would hate for it to keep us in when we lose all our money like that big drop over there. I told y'all multiple times we're not here to gamble. We're here to learn a skill. Brief explanations were helpful, but let's please focus and stay disciplined. All you need to know and make sure you effectively do is copy and paste. Analyzing the chart should not be of your concern right now. We're doing all the hard work for you. If you join the live sessions, you'll see how the trades are analyzed. But for now, if you cannot copy and paste effectively, why are you trying to analyze the chart?